So far we have studied about inner join, left join and right join over here. We have another type of join from the multiple types of joins which are possibly available in SQL. Now what's the next type of join which we can study and which we can discuss in terms of getting a query result from my data. Now the next type of join which is also known as an outer join. One of the popular join, not so much widely used in join, and MySQL doesn't support it. But definitely I'll try to explain you what does my outer join helps us to do. Now there are many words written for the same. You can call it as outer join, many people call it as full join, or many people do call it as full outer join. Full outer join, or many people call it as full join. Now what is the meaning of full join, full outer join or outer join over here in general? Now when we were discussing about inner join, if you remember the inner join, what does inner join does? Inner join takes data from one table, data from another table. If it is matching, only that values will be considered in the outcome. That was an inner join. That it combines data only when the match is found. The second one, that is nothing but my left join. Left join takes all the data from the left table and only matching elements from the right. That was the case. Now when I talk upon right join, it does vice versa like the left join. It takes all the data from the right table and matching from the left. But what if I want to take all the data even though if it is matching or not? And for that, I will be using something called as outer join. Now what does outer join does? Outer join combines data, or it combines all the records or all the rows which are there. So combines all the records, or I can call it as rows, from all the mentioned tables, all the tables. So whatever tables you have been using, it will combine all the rows from the table even though no match is found. What does it say? Even though there is no matching element found between them, it is going to consider all the entries over here. Let us see with an example that what it is. Actually, your outer join cannot be performed into your MySQL because MySQL doesn't support outer join over here. So what does it do? Let's say x1, x2, x3 is table 1. Table 2, I write x3, x2 and x4. That's there. Now if I say 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 8, 6, 6, 7. If I say A, B, and let's say 2, C, D, and let's say 10, E, D, E, and let's say 1, F, G, let's say 3. So this is the data which is there. And if I write the query for the same, what would be the query over here? The query would be select star. I'm selecting all the columns from where I'm selecting over here? From T1. Now my T1 as a table is what table? My left table. And what I wrote outer join. I can write full join, I can write full outer join, it's fine. Outer join, and then I write what? T2. T2 is which table for me? It's a right table. And I write on as a joining condition. That is from T1, which column I want? X1. And from T2, which column I want? X4. Now it doesn't matter if the column information or if the column name is different, but the information within the column needs to be same. So here if you can see, when I write this, what happens over here? It will go to the left table, right table, and it will go to x1 and x4. x1, 1 is 1 found over here, yes, so this record will be there into the entry. So in the join it is doing. If 2 found over here, is 2 found? Yes, it will be there into the entry. Is 6 found over here? It's there in table 1, and table 1 is what? My left table. But it's not there in table 2. It's fine. It is still taking it over here in the outcome. Now, it will check 10. Is 10 there into T1? No. But it will still take it. Is 3 there over here in T1? No. It will still take it. So what happens over here, it doesn't matter if there is a match or no. All the entries from both or the multiple tables which are being selected will be used as an outcome or will be shown in the query result. So if I see the result for the same, how does it looks like? It looks like x1, x2, x3, x4, x2, x4 which is there, and x3 is again here. So it will show you 1, 3, 5. x3 related is, let's say for this entry it's nothing. So it will show you that. So it was 1. 1 ke liye we have that D, E and 1 which was there. 2. 2 is matching? Yes. So 2 ka A is like A, B, sorry 2 ka is 4. It's 4, 8, and what it shows me, A, B and 2. Let's say iska, what it shows 6 which is there and 6 is not there. So 6, 7 and no entry is there. So it will give what? None. Over here, and if you want to say, let's say 10, it will show over here, and for 10 is there any value which is matching? No. So it's null over here, there is no 10, so it will be null over here, null over here, and what is the value over here? C, D and 10. So here you can see it doesn't care that if there is a match between the two tables or not. It is just trying to combine all the records, all the entries from both the tables, and that was right, outer join for us. So this is all about outer join. Now outer join is not feasible into our MySQL, and that's why we didn't see with any practical example for the same. But if I want to simply explain what does outer join does, it will combine all the data from the multiple tables and show it at once into the query, and it will not focus on if the match is found or not. If it is found, it's well and good. If it is not found, still it's good that it is going to be considered into the outcome.